Are you tired of letting food go to waste? Whether you want to stop wasting money letting food expire, forget what you buy after those big food shopping hauls, or are simply looking for recipes to work with your soon-to-expire food, you can count on Food Fusion.
With the Food Fusion app, you can simply scan the barcode of a food item and it'll input into the application and arrange in the order of its expiration. So it can keep track of your food and make sure you don't let any food go to waste. You can set up reminders daily, weekly, monthly, or simply turn off all the notifications altogether and simply peruse the app as you please. If you're like me and you love to cook, you know how important it is to use the foods that are about to expire. So with Food Fusion, a premium version, you'll be able to search all the recipe books on the site to find out what you can use and when, and share those recipes with your friends.
I love these recipes.
As I said, this is part of the premium package. $2.99 a month. But if you order tonight, we'll give you the first 3 months free. My guarantee. You remember this guy from earlier? Hey Sean, I heard you download the Food Fusion app. What do you think about it?
I gave it a try. I signed up for the premium version, and I can't tell you, I've saved so much money on food in this last month alone. I'm almost there to my new car. But really, this app is great. It keeps me on time, frequency of notifications, I have the total exposure to change all that, and it really works great for me.
Great to hear, man. I love it myself.
Thanks. Thanks for recommending it to me.
So if you hate to waste food and you want to save some money, make sure to download the Food Fusion app right now in the App Store or in the Play Store. And remember, do it ASAP. If you call within the next hour, or if you order within the next hour, you get this free cookbook. If you download within the next 24 hours, you get the first 3 months of the premium service free. And to reiterate, that's $2.99 a month for the premium service. Download Food Fusion right now. Download Food Fusion right now and call it 1-800-NO-WASTE. That's 1-800-669-2783. 1-800-NO-WASTE.